Are you confused about how to start and scale your personal brand and online business? Well, you're not alone. Hi, this is Dr. Rick Goodman, top 10 global guru and online entrepreneur, and I'm here to tell you the truth. Everyone can become a highly paid thought leader, online influencer, or creator today, but most stop due to frustration, burnout, and lack of money. They just don't know what to do, so they quit. I understand because I felt the same way back in 2002 when I started my online business. I had great information that would help grow people's businesses and give entrepreneurs the personal freedom they most desired. But I didn't know how to bring my products and dreams to the marketplace. Since then, I've sold millions of dollars of online educational programs around the world to entrepreneurs, business owners, and corporations to help them grow their businesses while I was either laying on the beach or sleeping in the middle of the night. And here's the great news. You don't have to wonder how to get started making money online anymore, because I will be conducting a free masterclass on how to build your online business for thought leaders and influencers. It's going to be great. I'm going to give you a roadmap on how to create a personal and financial plan to achieve freedom. So if you're ready to get started as a thought leader and you're not sure where to begin, this free masterclass is perfect. It's the perfect place to get started on living the life you deserve. You're going to discover how to determine markets for your products and services. You'll learn podcast, YouTube, and social media strategies to grow your audience right now. You'll discover how to create content that sells and also ways to get your intellectual property approved for continuing education credits. And also how to create personal freedom in your business and your life. So reserve your spot right now because space is limited. All you have to do is just click on the link below and claim your spot today. And I look forward to seeing you in how to build your online business for thought leaders and influencers.